So hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So what's up? What has been happening actually? If you're new here, my name is Gogonna Nzenwa and I'm based in Lagos, Nigeria. Yeah, thank you so much for sticking around, coming back, watching and dropping your comments. I really appreciate that. By the title of this video, I'm sure you already know what I'm about to spill here, and I'm actually doing this based on popular demand. I did a video the last time on how to know if a guy likes you, loves you. I'll put up the link up here, and guys are like, do for the ladies now, how am I going to know now, that kind of thing and all that. So I said, okay, fine, I'll do it. So ladies, I'm not spilling our secrets or anything, but I just want to help them so they would know and will not be giving them mixed signals and all that thing. She get me? Okay, I know you do. So before we get right into this video, if you have not subscribed, I really don't know, man. I don't know, man. Do you need a cow? Should I bring a cow? Tell me. I can bring a cow, like to drop at your feet and say, oh, come on, please subscribe, join this family. But come on now, come on. Yeah, please. So if you have not subscribed yet, please do turn on the notification bell, give it a thumbs up always, and drop your comments. It's very, very, very essential. So now, enough of all that. Now let's go right into this. See you. Okay. So one way to know how one way to know how a girl actually likes it is from the onset. She's already giving you positive vibes. What do I mean? I mean that when you guys are chatting, you have this feeling that, oh, she's feeling you, she's enjoying the chat, she's responding, she's not giving you all those one answer. Because some of you feel, she's giving me one answer, she's coming from me hard to get. Most of the time, she's not just interested in that conversation. It's as simple as that. So one way to know is that you guys are always vibing. You guys, the conversation is always, you don't even want to stop talking to her in the night and all that, all those like midnight talk and all that. What are you doing? You guys just flow from the onset. That is one way to know a girl actually likes it, because she's enjoying your company. She's feeling you. You get? Yeah, that's the word. She's feeling you. So that's one way to know if a girl actually likes you. One thing to note is that a woman that actually loves you will show it in her words and in her action. You won't be thinking and saying, does she really like me? Does she really love me? No, it's going to show how she talks to you, how she looks at you, as in what she says to you. It will actually show that this woman, she's really down for me. Sincerely speaking, there are some things that she would say, something that she would do, even though you're not the richest person around and all that, or the richest person that she has ever been with, or you're not rich at all, or you're just there managing your life and all that. You would actually know when a woman, because she sees this good thing about what you're doing, she wants you to be better. She says a lot of supportive things. If you're doing a business, you see her posting your stuff, telling people about your stuff. She's doing it as if it is her own business. You get? She will give you mad ass support. She would actually support you, support everything to the tiniest detail of what you're doing. You as in referrals. She would oh god, it would be as if that your business that you're running, or whatever you're doing, she's even the one that is running it, because everything that she's doing that of a heart filled with love. That's just it. So the support you get from a woman that actually loves you is top notch. It is top notch. I'm sure a lot of guys can relate, because maybe they're still with that woman, or maybe they're mumu. You know how guys behave sometimes. you don't make them leave, the woman don't leave them and all that, but you get this very like mother support from this woman that actually loves you. Another thing is that she will spoil you silly. Guy, she will, even though she doesn't have so much, but with the little that she has, she will spoil you, get you clothes, get you gifts at random. Seriously, at random. On your birthday, she's just passing and she sees something, oh, it'll fit him. She's asking you questions like, oh, what do you like? You don't have jeans, what's your waist size? Or she's showing you this kind of, that she really cares like that. So she will spoil you silly with the tiniest thing. The food you eat and go, oh god. She will pamper you. Pamper you. See, women, they just nurture. They just nurture, and they show you when they actually love someone. They tend to nurture everything around them. That's including the person's business. There's this tendency to nurture it, to make it grow, as in to do a lot of, I don't even know how I'm going to like put this thing now that you guys understand, but she would tend to like, that business is her own. It's not her own business. She's going to do everything to make it grow. That's how you know. And the thing is that a lot of times it's not even about the money. She doesn't even look at how much you have in your pocket and all that. She just wants to do all this because she loves you. She believes in you. She believes in your vision. I feel like I'm preaching right now, but sincerely speaking, a woman that actually loves you would nurture everything around her, which you are part of. So she nurtures you, your business, your health. She takes care of you. She pampers you. She just treats you like you're a child. You get? Women become prayer warriors actually for a guy that they actually love, because they look at you, they look at what you're doing, and they're like, oh, this guy, he must be successful. She's praying, and she prays for you more than she prays for herself actually. Like, she looks at you because she's seeing you. She wants you to grow, and she knows, okay, fine, if I do all these things around me, like support your business, do this, do that in every way I can, and that thing she focuses on is prayer. She prays for you, she prays for your growth. She does all these things, like she does it with so much passion. So much passion. One other thing is that she's going to actually trust you. Like, oh, he's my man, I trust him. I don't believe he's going to cheat on me and things like that. She would trust you to the call. See, forget a woman's love. A woman's love is just that a lot of you take it for granted, and I don't blame you guys. You guys just want to flex and all that, but a woman's love is balm. It's balm. Seriously speaking, is really in short. So, see, this video is actually really short though, because everything I'm saying actually falls under one thing, and is under nurturing. A woman that loves you, she just takes you as her own. That's why you see our moms and all that. It's almost so similar. She's not looking at the money you have, although she pushes you to get better. You get? She pushes you to get better. She wants you to do better, and she puts in her own effort in making sure you get better. Do you even know that some women actually give a guy their cars so that the guy can actually feel feel among, because she loves them. She loves the guy. You get? Do you know the funniest thing? Women actually lose themselves in the process of all this. They lose themselves. They forget that, oh, I need to be nurtured. I need to be careful. But because they love this guy, they just, hands down on themselves and focus on the guy and focus on him getting better, because she believes that if he gets better, she will get better. You get that kind of inflow and outflow. You get? Another thing is, she would ignore other guys. She's looking at you, she's focused on you. Even when the other guys are coming and the temptation is really real, she looks at you and be like, oh, my man, I don't think I'm going to leave him for any other person. and all that, and she's just like into you, forgetting the other guys, you know. Any other guy comes to tell her marriage, and you say you're never ready for marriage, but he comes to tell her marriage. She's not even looking at all that. She's not looking at all of that, because she's looking at you and she's focused on you and what you guys are going to build together. See, women actually love. Women actually love. She's going to tolerate your excesses. See, your excesses. It's just that, guys, you guys always, I don't know the words you use, but sometimes I'll say you guys are undeserving, because you've seen a woman that would actually do all this for you, and you still try to be very, I don't know, koloish. If there is any word like that. It's really somehow, like, it's really somehow, like, you be misbehaving and she's still there, and she's like, you will change, and you come and apologize, and she'll be like, okay, I've heard you, and you misbehave again, and she'll be like, I forgive you, and you keep on misbehaving. Now let me tell you let me break your heart. One thing you should know is that once you misbehave, you see, you see the same way she loves you, that same way, that same way is like almost the same way it will feel when she has lost every feeling for you, because our patience can grow really lean, and what we tolerate before, we just walk out and we don't look back, or we just start to hurt you the same way you're hurting us. If you have a good woman that actually loves you, I think you should like focus on her really, because it's not about your status or the money you have. If all that go away, all these other women that you're pursuing around, would they stay? Have you thought about that? Actually, I don't think you have. So think about it really. If you have a woman by your side who would do anything for you, for your growth, then I think you should stay with her, stay one place, stop jumping about. Really, stop jumping about and stop hurting her. Can you do that? And if you feel that you don't, you know, you don't really feel for her, you don't feel the same way for her, then talk to her and let her go and meet someone else that's actually going to appreciate every effort she puts in that relationship, to show you how much that she loves you. See, women, we they love, actually, we they love. This video was not supposed to go this way, but I don't know, it just switched. Maybe because I'm a woman and I'm not trying to be biased or anything, because when I did the video for the guys, it was true, but doing this video for ladies, I know a lot of times guys most times have the upper hand in this relationship thing. Like, they always have the upper hand, say, and all that. But I want you to know that the woman that loves you will be there for you, would care for you, would care for your business, would care for your growth, would care for everything about you. But the moment you make her feel as if it's not worth it, your attitude, your just the way you do, because obviously you don't have sense, it's going to be like the same 100% the way she liked you and the way she's not going to like you. I don't know. See, I don't even know. I know. What am I trying to say? Love your woman, man. Show her you love her back. Stop cheating on her. Stop hurting her feelings. Stop beating her. Stop abusing her. Because when she's gonna leave, man, yeah, you might find someone else, but who knows? You might not actually find someone like her. So I've come to the end of this video. I'm done talking, actually. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share with your friends, and comment. I would like to know your own perspective, so comment, and I'm going to respond to your comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Keep safe, stay safe, use your face masks, sanitize, wash your hands, don't forget that, and I'll see you. I'm not going to lose any of you. Bye.